Pre genuinely preserves real whitespace and line breaks exactly as written. Code genuinely marks real inline or block code. In this video you'll use both together correctly. Code genuinely marks this as real inline code. Browsers genuinely render it in a real monospace font by default. Pre genuinely preserves the real actual whitespace and line breaks exactly as written, unlike normal HTML, which genuinely collapses them. Combining pre and code together is the real, standard way to show a genuine, properly formatted multiline code block. Pre genuinely preserves real whitespace and line breaks exactly. Code genuinely marks real inline or block code semantically. Pre plus code together genuinely form the real standard code block pattern. Build a real multiline code block using pre and code together. Ready to build real definition lists.